Welcome back to Futuristic Gadgets. Today, we're showcasing 10 awesome gadgets that will take your car setup to the next level. From essential tools to high-tech upgrades, let's get started. First, Ventilation and Heating System Maintenance Kit. This kit is ideal for professional maintenance of ventilation and heating systems in both private homes and commercial premises. It comes with a powerful 13 horsepower vacuum pump that can pump air at a rate of 4 cubic feet per minute. It's equipped with a pressure gauge and leak detector, making it a complete tool for servicing air conditioning and refrigeration systems. The color-coded hoses help you avoid confusion, and it also comes with a durable, compact carrying bag for easy transport. 2. Cordless 2-speed grease gun with 10,000 psi pressure. This cordless grease gun operates with 2-speed feed modes, allowing you to choose between maximum pressure and maximum flow rate. It's powered by a universal 18-volt battery and comes with unique features like an LED indicator, an on-off button, and a plunger rod with markings to show how much grease remains. The flexible 48-inch hose makes it easy to reach tight spots when lubricating hard-to-access fittings. Dritter Holzman MF FF in 1 tool. The Holzman MF 5-in-1 tool is a versatile solution for any workshop. It can be a workbench, rolling bed, transport cart, platform, and even a stepladder. With its compact design and quick transformation, this device provides a solution to every workshop need. It can hold up to 150 kilograms as a workbench or 300 kilograms as a platform, and it has a built-in electrical panel for powering your tools. Fourth, Waterport with sea sucker tank mount. Waterport offers a convenient solution for carrying water outdoors, whether you're camping, beachside, or off-roading. This 4-gallon tank can be mounted anywhere on your vehicle with the Sea Sucker vacuum lock suction system, which holds it firmly to any smooth surface. With no need for tools or holes, it can easily be filled with a garden hose or a Waterport pump and is perfect for washing off gear, dishes, or even yourself. FTE Spa Belt Sander. This professional SPTA belt sander is designed to handle pipes, bars, and other surfaces made of metals, plastics, or wood. With adjustable RPMs ranging from 700 to 3,000 per minute, it offers flexibility depending on the task. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during long work sessions, and the 800-watt power supply provides ample strength for industrial-level grinding and polishing. Quick DIY Tire Puncture Repair Kit. This quick DIY tire puncture repair kit allows you to seal a tire in just 8 minutes. It includes 15 ounces of special sealant and a compact inflation pump with a digital gauge. While it's not suitable for trucks, it's perfect for cars and SUVs, making it a valuable tool for anyone who travels long distances. 7. Universal Center Armrest Cover. Add style and protection to your vehicle's interior with this universal armrest cover. Made from high-quality eco-leather and carbon fiber with reinforced seams, it prevents scratches, scuffs, and cuts on your car's center console. The cover is easy to install with secure tape and fits most models of cars, SUVs, and pickup trucks. 8. Rivet Gun Station. JPress 10 TPP Control Workstation. The JPress 10 TPP Control Workstation is a next-generation rivet gun designed with a push-pull system and an integrated pressure sensor for perfect accuracy. It offers easy die selection and synergy settings, providing up to 10 tons of force. Its 360-degree rotating lever and C-shaped handle make it versatile enough to access any vehicle in any situation. Doku Zunutalas Portable Car Compressor. The Zunutalas portable car compressor has dual 60mm cylinders for outstanding performance, offering an impressive 330 liters per minute or 11.65 cubic feet per minute of air output. Built with die-cast aluminum for durability, it includes features like automatic overheating protection and a dual air filtration system, making it ideal for off-road use. The compressor kit includes a power cord, hose, nozzles, and a convenient carrying bag. 10th, Compact Compressor Refrigerator. Perfect for road trips, this compact compressor refrigerator has 2 chambers for food storage and drink cooling. It can store up to 46 cans of cola, 28 water bottles, or 15 wine bottles. The power consumption is low, around 45 watts, and it operates quietly at a noise level below 40 decibels. With adapters for both 110/240 volts and 12/24 volts, it's suitable for RVs, boats, and campers. Plus, the fridge can be controlled via an app for added convenience. This concludes the list of 10 gadgets, each with a detailed explanation. Let me know if you need anything else. That wraps up our top 10 car gadgets. Let us know your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cool car tech. Thanks for watching Futuristic Car Channel. See you next time.